Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you know, Jamaica is seeing an unprecedented level of development. It's happening, almost every parish has some sort of development happening. So today we are going to talk about the 5 parishes that have the most mega developments happening. Now Jamaica has 14 parishes. So we're going to pick the 5 that have the most developments. Now, the first one is Kingston and St. Andrew. Without a doubt, these 2 parishes have the largest population in Jamaica. And they are run by the KSAMC, so we're just going to talk about them as one. Now, the amount of buildings that are going up in Kingston and St. Andrew, it's unbelievable. The tallest building in Jamaica today, the Rogers, 20 floors, is in St. Andrew. Now, One Belmont built a commercial building, 9 floors. JMB Hope Road built a JMB built a 4-story building. Musson built a 10-floor building at 58 Halfway Tree. And these buildings are new. I don't think some of them the building is finished, but the tenants haven't moved in yet because they're still retrofitting the building. On Haining Road, you have 23 HR, a 7-floor building. Holborn House in New Kingston, a 8-floor building. The Ascent, which is going to be a massive 27-floor building in New Kingston. Usain Bolt built a 4-story building on Hope Road. You have 2 buildings. Well, Lady Musgrave Road at 23 MLR, you have a 5-story building. On Trafalgar Road, Trafalgar 1, you have a 5-story building. First Rock is building a 10-story building in New Kingston. 109 Old Hope Road, they are going to build a 10-story building. A 10-story building is being built at 45 Hope Road. And Chemtech is building a 6-floor building on Constant Spring Road. Those are just a few of the buildings being built. You have the Nitrams of Waterloo, is a residential building. Terra Nova, well, I think this one might have stopped, but Terra Nova was building a 14-floor building. The Rogers, 20 floors. The Cambridge, 2 towers at 10 floors. And the list goes on. Via at the Braemar, 10 floors. The list goes on. It's endless, the amount of development that's taking place in Kingston and St. Andrew. Now, the second parish that has mega developments is St. Catherine. And when you talk about mega developments, oh my gosh, the amount of warehouses being built in St. Catherine. Now, while you have commercial and residential buildings going up in Kingston and St. Andrew, St. Catherine is without a doubt the commercial section of Jamaica redevelopments. You have some of the largest warehouses in Jamaica being built in St. Catherine. Portmore is soon to be a parish, the 15th parish of Jamaica, but for now they're included in St. Catherine. Bernard Lodge, Kingston 876 complex. You have the Raintree complex coming online soon. You have this Cayman Special Economic Zone being built. Bernard Lodge is going to be literally a city. I mean, the amount of developments, it's too many to go through. Now, the third parish we're going to talk about is St. Anne. And I think St. Anne might have the most developments on the way, most mega developments. Everywhere in St. Anne there is a development going up. St. Anne includes Ocherius. It includes Draxall, which is the fastest growing community in Jamaica. You have thousands of homes being built in Draxall. Thousands built recently. You have so many commercial buildings going up in Draxall. You have in Ucharis, you have the SOL Harbor, you have Ocean View Mall, so many developments. And then just on the outskirts of Ucharis, you have Miami Bay, where Czech is going to be building a massive development. So I think there are three companies that are going to be doing mega developments in Miami Bay. Then you have Draxall. I've never seen an area grow as fast as Draxall. Then down the road you have Richmond Estate. Then you have Parasitic, just on the outskirts of Saint of Richmond, and that's a massive development, massive. Then further down you have Runaway Bay, you have Discovery Bay, so many developments taking place in those areas. As a matter of fact, the largest hotel in Jamaica today is the Bahia Principal in Runaway Bay. And they are actually building two more hotels in Runaway Bay. And Secrets is going to start a hotel in Richmond, which is in St. Anne. And there's another massive $1 billion hotel development taking place in St. Anne. Now, number 4 is Montego Bay. So, to recap, Kingston and St. Andrew, St. Catherine, St. Anne, and now Montego Bay. Montego Bay is the second city, but it is the tourist capital of Jamaica. Could possibly be the tourist capital of the Caribbean also. You have residential developments going up. You have commercial developments going up. You have hotels going up. Price Mart is actually building a wholesale club in Montego Bay. The first one they had was Kingston. The second one was Portmore. They went to Portmore before Montego Bay. Okay, did I say that the fourth parish was Montego Bay? My apologies. The fourth parish is St. James, which Montego Bay is the capital. You have the largest road project on the way in Jamaica now, the Montego Bay Perimeter Road Project. They're going to build roads like a ring around Montego Bay. You have so many hotels going up in Montego Bay. Residential developments. They're building bypasses. They're building toll roads. They're expanding the airport. A lot of activity taking place in St. James. Now, number 5 is a tie between Manchester and Trelawney. There is so much development taking place in Trelawney and so much taking place in Manchester. So I think those two would tie for number 5. Alright guys, let us know what you think of this list. Leave your comments in the section below, and if you were to name 5 parishes, what would your 5 be with the most mega developments? Leave your list in the comment section below. Alright guys, have a good day.